Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play ornaments on the flute. Let's begin with trills, which are rapid alternations between a written note and the note immediately above it. You'll see them marked with a TR or a squiggly line. It's crucial to check your key signature to know if the upper note is natural, sharp, or flat. Many trills require special fingerings, not just regular scale fingerings, to achieve a quick and effortless sound. Practice them slowly at first, aiming for evenness. Next, let's explore mordents and turns. A mordent is like a very short trill, typically 3 notes played quickly. The main note, the note above or below, and then back to the main note. An inverted mordent goes down 1 step, then back up. Turns are more elaborate, usually involving 4 notes: the note above, the main note, the note below, and then the main note again. Pay close attention to any accidentals, as they often apply to the lower auxiliary note in a turn. Now, let's differentiate between grace notes and appoggiaturas. A grace note, also known as an acciaccatura, is a quick, unstressed embellishment played just before the main note, stealing a tiny fraction of time from the preceding note. Appoggiaturas, however, are leaning notes that take a significant portion of the main note's value and are played directly on the beat. Grace notes usually have a slash through their stem, while appoggiaturas do not, indicating their longer duration. To truly master these ornaments, consistent practice is key. Always start slowly, ensuring each note is clear and even before increasing your tempo. Maintain relaxed hands and keep your fingers close to the keys. This minimizes unnecessary movement and builds speed. Utilize a reliable fingering chart to learn the correct and often unique fingerings for each ornament. With dedicated practice, these beautiful embellishments will become a natural part of your flute playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.